welcome to my channel. In this video, let's see the unboxing of gallery artist soft oil pastels. This is from the popular Korean brand called Mungyo, which has both student grade as well as artist grade oil pastels, and it comes in a wide range of sets starting from 12 colors to all the way up to 120 colors. This is not a sponsored video and I have purchased the 48 color set on Flipkart. The prices always keep fluctuating, so please have an eye on the latest offers and discounts. This is an artist grade set, also known by the name Gallery, and it comes in a cardboard box unlike the DOMS or Camel oil pastel sets that come in a plastic case, which I felt is more durable. At the back of the box, they have mentioned the different techniques of coloring using these pastels, and at the bottom are the colors available in this set. Upon opening the set, we are provided with a booklet which has information on all the available colors and the different sets. These oil pastels are called soft oil pastels because of their creamy texture and smooth blending capabilities. Each pastel has the color number and the name printed on it. Now let's see a quick demo. Here I am using a classmate's small size drawing notebook to demonstrate. First, let's see how to use the pastel and blend with fingers. The texture feels silky smooth to apply and almost like a lipstick consistency. Next, I am doing a gradient fill with 3 colors and blending them using my finger. To get a dark tone, start blending from the dark color towards the light color, and to get a lighter fill, blend the lightest color towards the darker color. In this step, I am blending these 3 colors using a cotton bud to give a smooth gradient look, and this is my preferred method as it is non-messy and your fingers are stain free. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you soon in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye.